This tutorial is going to walk through going to the WealthBeing Collective site and logging in for a user that already has established a username and password. So in your web browser, you can go to the wealthbeingcollective.com and see it all pop up right there. It might not pop up for you, so you'd have to type in the whole thing or copy and paste the link from another browser. And so when you're on the home page here, you'll see at the top of the page, there's this login button. And so we're currently on the home page. So you can go ahead and press login. This cookies, this is an automatic thing that pops up. You can accept or decline. And so now you're on the login page here, and you can type in the username and password that you used. You can press remember me if you'd like it to stay signed in if you're on a private connection. I'll leave that unchecked if you're on a public device. And then go ahead and press submit, and that'll bring you to the products page. So one way to know that you're signed in is this silhouette up here. So if we went back to the home page now, you would see that silhouette, and you could press that button and go to My Library, and it would take you to the products page as well.